Hello, so today I just got this early Christmas present, and I'm actually familiar with the shape, what is inside, because when I shake it I feel something that rolls. So now it's time to unbox. Always use scissors instead of ripping with your hands. After one cut, you can see here is the car itself. But this is not the car itself, it's just the box. But I can now see the model, which is the Lamborghini Countach or Countach. I'm not sure how to pronounce this right, but it's Lamborghini Countach or Countach 25th anniversary. It's actually a two-door Lamborghini, which the shape kind of looks like a Cybertruck, but it doesn't. Details of the box. First, I'll just cut the plastic to avoid reflection. So this Lamborghini Tomica Premium comes with a plastic, and there is when there's no plastic, less reflective. And look at the sticker right here. I can actually see the Lamborghini logo. Let's look a little closer. As you can see here, shining like green colors. And the other sides of the box are just instructions, details, the Lamborghini and Lamborghini Bull and Shield. Those are just the details and the details of the product, which I'm not going to show anymore since there are things that I'm not really comfortable to see, but accidentally so little. But anyways, let's just go to the product, and here it is. It's covered with plastic, and it's time to remove. This is how it looks like. My first Tomica Premium ever. Super cool Lamborghini. Here's the Lamborghini logo. Not really that scene, but when I see that type of image, let me imagine of Lamborghini. These are the details. The underpart, front, right side, the back side, left, top, front again. So I don't know if I can open the door, because when I see other videos with this car, it can be open, but I'm not sure though, because I'm going to explore it later on. So the interior of the car, it's actually seen as the driver's seat, two passenger seat, and the interior is color cream orange, light luxury interior. And that's all for this unboxing video. Anyways, that's all for this video.